Well, hello and welcome back to another video. This one is just going to be a quick one. I noticed a sunrise this morning, and when I went to check on the security camera footage, I noticed a few interesting things along the way. So, just for some context, I don't actually live in the Ottawa River, but I figured I was just going to drop it right there. And it shows that as of today, the sunrise should be around 7:02. So the sun should not even have been visible above the horizon before 7:02. So if I look at what it looked like at 6:42 this morning, you can see that some of the clouds appeared to be much lighter than others, and you can just start to see some reddish hue to some of the clouds. And if I go down to the next one, you can see it's still the same, still roughly the same, still roughly the same. And if I keep stepping like this here, you can note the time. And then right about 6:53, you'll notice that the red starts to peek through. But what's more interesting than that is that this little sliver of red right here is clearly below the other clouds. And here you can see a little bit more over here, and there's some more over here. This one shows a lot more of the red detail. Obviously, I'm not quite positioned properly to see where the sun is. This is facing south, so east is over here somewhere, shining in this direction. And you can still see that there's a little bit of red over here, and these clouds, which are higher than these other clouds, are not as red as the lower clouds. If I step a little bit more, you can still see that the lower clouds still have a little more red to them. And if I step a little bit more, you can still see more red. Clearly, these are below these other clouds. And here's another one. There's more red over here, and the higher clouds up here are now white. And as I keep stepping through, you can clearly see that there is still more red in the sky, still more red over here. And then by the time the sun is getting up above the horizon, you can see that the red is starting to disappear somewhat. Now you can barely see any red left, and by the time you get past sunrise, the red is pretty much gone. And so you can clearly see that 7:05, 7:06, the whole color of the sky changed. So that would correspond roughly with the sunrise over here. So I just thought I'd point that out. If flat earthers want to try to explain why, if the sun is always above the cloud, why are sunrises and sunsets red when there should be lots of clouds above it blocking the light? Why would the upper clouds not be red? It makes a lot more sense if the sun is shining up and lighting the clouds from underneath. So that, to me, is more proof that we live on a globe. Well, that's it. I just wanted to make this short video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you hopefully in another video soon enough. Bye for now.